2 minutes to top 10 feel-good movies to watch on a rainy day, folks. Brought to you by Expedia and our other affiliates. Number 10, The Grand Budapest Hotel. Number 9, Emily? Not sure. Number 8, Up. Such a cute movie. Number 7, The Princess Bride. For all us old folks, that is a great movie. Number 6, Fantastic Mr. Fox. Number 5, Pride and Prejudice. Number 4, Ratatouille. Number 3, Finding Nemo. Number 2, The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, which is a big surprise on our list. And a recap: The Grand Budapest Hotel, Amelie, Up, The Princess Bride, Pride and Prejudice, Fantastic Mr. Fox, Ratatouille, Finding Nemo, The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, and the number 1 on our list is La La Land. Great job by Ryan Gosling and Emma Stone. Just love her. She's such a sweetheart. This is very uplifting, so you can have fun on rainy days. Next time we'll be talking uplifting podcasts. Our affiliates: Expedia, Verbo, and Hotels.com. Three Sides Media. Thanks you.